boards. The race is on. Garrison getting there ahead of Sam Reinhart. The puck comes off the end boards. Came in front. Bishop, a huge save on Kane there. A funky bounce from behind the net instead of bouncing toward the near boards. It came right off the back of the net, and Kane was right there to pick it up. Everything happening behind Bishop as the play is offside. Now we got Schuster and Kane kept apart here. Johnson getting involved, but before Bishop could realize what was going on, Kane had stepped to the front of the net.
I don't know what it is when Ben Bishop gets in the net, but he has had way more than his fair share of just nasty bounces off the end wall. Watch this one. It should, by all rights, go all the way around. It has no business stopping like that. And in coming out right for Evander Kane to come out from behind the net, get his scoring chance. Bishop makes a very alert save, and then Kane with a spear on the goaltender. Ben Bishop, Schuster sees it, grabs around the back of the head. Evander Kane likes to stir things up, to say the least.